Budgeting is a foundational skill for financial health. It's about understanding where your money comes from and where it goes. For beginners, the process can seem daunting, but with a few simple steps, anyone can create a budget that works for them. The first step is to get a clear picture of your income. This includes all sources from salaries to side hustles. Next, track your expenses. Start by listing fixed costs like rent and utilities. Then monitor variable expenses such as groceries and entertainment. Don't forget occasional expenses like car maintenance or gifts. This comprehensive view is crucial for an accurate budget. With your income and expenses laid out, it's time to set up your budget. Allocate funds to your needs first, ensuring essentials are covered. Then assign money to savings goals, whether that's an emergency fund or a vacation. Finally, budget for wants, keeping in mind that these can be adjusted to stay within your means. Sticking to your budget requires discipline. Use tools like budgeting apps to track spending in real time. Review your budget regularly and adjust as needed. Remember, unexpected expenses will arise, so be flexible and have a plan for when they do. Consistency is key to making your budget a reliable part of your financial routine. Budgeting is an empowering practice that brings clarity to your financial life. It may take time to adjust, but stay the course. Your future self will thank you for the financial stability and peace of mind that come with a well-managed budget. Start today and watch your financial confidence grow.